In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and tap on About Phone at the top. Now select the Device Name section and finally type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you're ready, click on this checkmark at the top right corner to save your changes. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my XIAOMI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!